You just found the 2019 Honda Insight. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Take a look at this Honda Insight, the extraordinary compact hybrid that blends future-focused efficiency and advanced safety technology with beautifully sculpted style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Live thoughtfully, drive beautifully. The Honda Insight.